If you would like to access the Culturegrams or the Spanish Encyclopedia, go to the puzzle piece, log in, you'll go to Discus, and then from here you will decide you can go to the Britannica Escolar Online. This is a website that has all the biographies. It has different categories with readings. You can also go to the Culturegrams. This information is in English, but it has a lot of information about all the countries. This may be something you want to have them do at home or on the side. This is also where they go to get their textbooks in the same portal, if they have online digital content or books.